Good morning, students. Happy morning. Welcome you all in our math session. Subtraction up to 999. This chapter is going on. Today we are going to learn two-digit number subtraction from three-digit number. Okay. Let's see this example. 291 minus 35. First, we will do subtraction of ones place. Here is 1 and we have to subtract 5 from 1. But 1 is smaller than 5. So, we have to make regroup or borrow. We will borrow 1 tens to ones place. Okay. Here we will borrow this ones place to here. This is 1 and 1 tens means 11. And here we gave 1 tens to ones place. So here remains 8. Now we have 11 minus 5. So from 11 minus 5 we have to do subtraction here. Here 11 minus 5. We will do objects. We will draw objects, 11 objects like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. And then we will cross out this 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many numbers we get? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Okay. So ones place 11 minus 5. This is the one method. Another method is we have to subtract 5 from 11. This 5 from 11. So we have to count forward from 5 to 11. Okay, how to do? Look, I am showing you. From 5 we have to count till 11. Then 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and 11. How many fingers? 6. So answer is 6. When we count from 5 to 11, then we will get the answer. This is one method. And that objects and then cross out 5, that is another method. If you think any method easy to you, then you do that method. Okay. Here now here in tens place 8 minus 3. We will do this with finger also. 8 and minus 3 means 1, 2 and 3. How many fingers or how many numbers remaining here? 5. So 8 minus 3 is equal to 5. And here 2 minus nothing means 2. So answer will 295 minus 35 is equal to 256. Let's see another example. Look children, here is 3-digit number and again 3-digit numbers here. Means we have to subtract 3-digit numbers from 3-digit numbers. Okay, let's see. Here ones place, here is number 5 and here is number 2. So we can subtract 2 from 5. Tell me, 5 minus 2, 1 and 2. How many? 3 remains. Okay. Then 7 minus 1, tens place. 7 minus 1, 6. And here 100 place, 6 minus 4. 6 minus 4 means 2. This is very easy example. 3-digit numbers and 3-digit numbers. Now we will take 3-digit numbers subtraction with 3-digit number with regrouping. Let's see here. (431) minus 265. Here in ones place, here is number 1 and 5. We cannot subtract 5 from 1 because 1 is smaller than 5. So we have to regroup or borrowing 1 tens from tens place. So here remains 2 and 1 tens here. So this 1 tens and this 1 ones become 11. Now tell me 11 minus 5. How to do? We have to count forward from 5 to 11. Otherwise 11 objects and then cross out 5. We will do count forward till 11 now. 5, then 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and 11. How many numbers? We get 6 number here. So 11 minus 5 is equal to 6. Now tens place here. Here is 2 and this is 6. We cannot subtract 6 from 2. So we have to take 100s from 100 place. Then here is 400 and we gave 1 here. So we get 12 tens here and here remains 300. Now from these 12 tens we have to subtract 6. Now count 6 forward till 12. Come on, count with me. 6, then 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. How many numbers? 6. We get 6. This 12 minus 6, we get 6. And here in 100 place, 3 minus 2. 3 minus 2 means 1. So 431 minus 265 is equal to 166. Children, let's see one example. And this example is in horizontal position. Look, 757 minus 239. In horizontal position, we cannot do subtraction. So, we will write here this 757 we will write here. And minus 239 in this vertical position. And then we will do this subtraction. Okay. Now, let's start with ones place. Here is 7 and here is 9. But 7 cannot be subtracted from 9. 9 cannot be subtracted from 7. So we have to do regrouping or take borrowing. Here in tens place, here are 5 tens. So we will give 1 tens here on ones place. This 1 tens and this 7 means we get here 17. And from 5 tens we gave here 1 tens. So here remains 4 tens. Now we will subtract this 9 from 17. So start from 9 till 17. Okay, come on. After 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 and 17. How many fingers? 5 plus 3, 8 fingers. 17 minus 9, we get 8. Now, here in tens place, 4 minus 3. We can subtract 3 from 4. 4 minus 3, 4 minus 3, 1, 2 and 3. We get 1. Here 1. And here 7 minus 2 in 100 place. 7. This 7 minus 2. 1 and 2. We get 5. So, 757 minus 239. We get 518. This is the answer. In horizontal position, 757 minus 239 is equal to 580. Okay. So children, now you know how to do this horizontal subtraction. We have to arrange the columns like this, 100, tens and ones, and then write these numbers in vertical position, and then we have to do subtraction. Now you know how to do subtraction of 2-digit numbers from 3-digit and 3-digit number from 3-digit without regrouping and with regrouping. I hope you have understood this subtraction very clearly. Thank you.